Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So first of all, let's start with finding the app which is causing you some problems. Tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon in the right upper corner. So the first thing I highly recommend to do is to remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So they are occupying the memory, and sometimes they might cause some problems. So go to storage here. And here we've got the cache, so just tap on clear cache, and this is it. After that, I also highly recommend to tap on force stop, because sometimes if the app is working in the background, it might interfere. So just tap on force stop and tap on OK. And so now you can try to open the app and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Another thing which you can do is to check for the updates, because if you've got the older version of the app, it might have some problems with, for example, newer systems. So let's go to the Play Store. Tap on search. Of course, you need to be logged into the Play Store. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device, and you have to do it before you will be able to actually do anything in the Google Play Store. So tap on search, and here enter the name of the app that you'd like to update. Tap on it. Find it, and as you can see, if the update is available, your device will immediately show it to you. So just tap on update and download the newest version. Your device will overwrite the newer version over the older one, and it should work and it should help. However, sometimes this overwriting thing might also have some different problems. So in that case, I highly recommend to come back to this section right here, so the app in the Play Store, and instead of update, you will have the option uninstall. So just tap on uninstall, let your device fully uninstall the app, and then install it again. And thanks to it, your device will directly download the newer version, and instead of overwriting it, it will install it directly, and that should work. What I also recommend to do as a last resort, I recommend to check for the updates, because if you've got the older system version and you're downloading newer apps, it might also have some problems with compatibility, etc. So just go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down to find software update, and go to download and install, and your device will check for the updates. And if you've got any kind of updates pending, I highly recommend to tap on download or install, which will appear here, and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.